Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. The rainy season has just begun and we wanted to make most of it by visiting our nearby waterfalls. Joke Falls had been on our checklist for a long time, so we finally decided that today was the day to go and see it. On our 167-kilometer journey to Joke Falls, we passed by the beautiful Maravante beach and several small waterfalls along the way. We stopped for a while at Maravante beach.
Yeah, we are actually going to Joke Falls. So it's the monsoon season, it's the right time to visit any falls. So we have decided to go and explore any one falls now.
We are super excited.
Super excited.
Spent some peaceful moments enjoying the view and then continued our journey. The rain that began just as we left home never stopped until we reached our destination. We were completely drenched, but the experience of riding in rain, crossing the ghats, soaking in the beauty of nature was beyond words. On the way, we came across several small waterfalls and we didn't miss a single one. We captured them all in our camera. At one point, our bike started giving some trouble, so we had to stop on the way. For a moment, the bike couldn't start. We got a bit scared. There wasn't a single person around to ask for help. No mechanic shop in sight. Even our mobile network was gone. Luckily, after a few tries, the bike finally started again and we decided to get it checked at next mechanic shop we found on the way. After a long ride, we finally reached our destination. Since renovation work was going on, the place was a bit messy and there wasn't even a proper parking area. Somehow we managed to park the bike and walk towards the viewpoint. Because of continuous rain, the entire area was covered in a thick fog. We could hardly see anything ahead. You can see in the video how poor the visibility was. We then moved to another viewpoint, but that spot was extremely crowded. Everyone was eagerly waiting for just clear glimpse of the majestic waterfalls. Jog Falls is a major tourist attraction located in the Shivamogga district of Karnataka, also known as Kerusopa Falls, Joggundi, etc. Jog Falls, created by the Sharavati River, dropping 253 meter, making it the third highest waterfalls in India. The water comes down in four distinct falls: Raja, Rani, Roarer, and Rocket. Near the roaring waterfall flows the Sharavati River, held back by the Linganamaki Dam. Every monsoon, when water is released from the dam, the falls come alive, thundering louder, shining brighter, and drawing people to admire their beauty. Hidden behind this natural spectacle is a story of power and progress. In 1948, a hydroelectric power station began operating here, producing 120 megawatt of electricity. At the time, it was one of the largest hydroelectric projects in India and played an important role in supplying power to Karnataka, though today it contributes only a small share. The station first named the Krishnarajendra Hydroelectric Project, honoring the King of Mysore. Later, it was changed to Mahatma Gandhi Hydroelectric Power, reflecting a new era. Thus, the waterfall is not just a sight to behold, it is a part of larger story where nature, engineering and story flow together.
Jackfruit Mulka.
Near the majestic waterfall, there is a quiet rocky spot known as Rajakallu, a place wrapped in local stories and memories. It is said that king and important visitors once stood on this large rock, gazing at the powerful Sharavati river as it plunged into valley below. From Rajakallu, the view of waterfall is breathtaking, especially during monsoon when water is released from Linganamaki Dam, makes the falls roar with life.
You might be knowing the hydroelectric power project of river Sharavati. This is the foundation stone laid by Krishnaraja Odayar IV of Mysore Samsthan.
As I mentioned earlier, our bike developed a problem. We had to stop at mechanic shop. The mechanic replaced the bike starting switch. While we were waiting for the repair to be done, we struck up a conversation with another person who was also there with his bike. He turned out to be a snake catcher and also had YouTube channel. He shared many stories about his adventure, and listening to his experience was truly fascinating. Time passed quickly and we really enjoyed talking to him. Once the bike was fixed, we resumed our journey back home. On the way back, the rain poured heavily, soaking the road, slowing us down. Still, despite the trouble and the rain, the journey turned out to be truly memorable one. We'll meet you in our next vlog. Until then, take care. Bye bye.